Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 31st January 2026. In a bold move towards economic revitalization, the government is preparing to launch a groundbreaking initiative aimed at revamping public sector banks. This strategic plan is a cornerstone of the ambitious Viksit Bharat 2047 vision, aspiring to position these banks among the top 20 globally competitive financial institutions. Markets regulator Sebi has given its no-objection for the National Stock Exchange's initial public offering. This clearance is a significant regulatory step for India's largest stock exchange. NSE is now expected to move closer to finalizing its IPO structure and timing. The listing is anticipated to draw strong investor interest due to NSE's dominant market position. Inox Clean Energy is securing a Rs 3,400 crore 20-year loan from NABFID to refinance debt post-acquisition of Macquarie's Vibrant Energy. This loan, priced between 8 to 8.5%, will be secured by 7 solar, wind and hybrid projects with long-term PPAs. The move aims to retire expensive debt and reduce the company's equity component. Bengaluru-based aerospace components manufacturer JJG Aero has raised $30 million in Series B funding from Norwest. Veda Corporate Advisors acted as the sole transaction advisor on the deal. The company said their freshly raised funds will support the construction and capacity addition at its upcoming facility in North Bangalore, driving vertical integration and fund and other strategic initiatives. The initial merger process between Union Bank of India and Bank of India seems to have begun. Both banks are currently undertaking due diligence, including internal assessments of processes and operational integration. The merger would create one of the country's largest public sector lenders with a substantially expanded balance sheet, branch network and customer base. The combined entity would become the second largest PSU bank with assets of about 25.4 lakh crore in financial year 25 and the third largest bank overall after State Bank of India and HDFC Bank. The government is keen to merge smaller banks with larger ones to create 4 to 5 big PSU banks instead of the current 12. Ola Electric on Friday announced that it will lay off 5% of its workforce as part of a restructuring exercise, less than a year after it let go over 1,000 employees and contract workers in a similar drive aimed at improving profitability. The latest round of restructuring is estimated to impact more than 500 employees and workers, although the company has not specified the number affected. The restructuring comes at a time when Ola Electric is struggling to sustain its sales and market position in the electric two-wheeler segment.
This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.